Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gathered here to pay tribute to a leader who sacrificed his life for an independent Kashmir. Alongside Maqbool Butt, Amanullah Khan spent his life emphasizing and advocating the political rights Kashmiris deserve. He held strong morals and values centered around justice, independence, and rights of his people. Today, I urge you all to come together and pay value to his efforts and sacrifices by contributing to raise a voice for all the silenced voices of our beloved Kashmiris. We live in a country with many opportunities and rights, and we should take advantage of these opportunities to come together and advocate for free Kashmir as Amanullah once did. We should leave our different beliefs aside, especially at times like now, where Kashmir is dealing with such critical injustice and suppression, and come together as a nation of Kashmiris for our country. If we continue to highlight each other's differences, we won't be able to show as a strong nation. Keeping Amanullah's morals in mind, I urge you all once again to come together and raise a voice for Kashmir. Thank you.